Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about a great scientist in the history, Christian Huygens. Now, unrevealing the mysteries of cosmos. First of all, we we talk about the introduction of this great scientist. In the annals of scientific history, there are few names as illustrious and pioneering as Christian Huygens. A polymath of 17th century, Huygens made groundbreaking contributions to the astronomy, mathematics, physics and optics. His unquenchable thirst for knowledge and exceptional intellect earned him a place among the greatest scientific minds of all time. In this conversation, we will explore the life, achievements, and lasting impact of Christian Huygens on the world of science. Let's look have a early life and education of Huygens. Christian Huygens was born on April 14, 1629 in The Hague, Netherlands, into a prominent family. His father, Huygens, was a diplomat and a poet, while his mother, Susanna van Barle, was an educated woman who played a significant role in Christian's early education. Growing up in such an intellectually stimulated environment undoubtedly nurtured his curious mind. Christian received an exceptional education in language, literature, and mathematics, which laid the foundation of his future accomplishments. He studied law at the University of Leiden, but his true passion lay in mathematics and the natural sciences. His insatiable curiosity led him to pursue these subjects independently. Now we talk about the contributions on optics and astronomy. Huygens' fascination with optics led to his invention of the pendulum clock, a landmark achievement in horology. His work on the pendulum not only revolutionized timekeeping but also had practical implications in various scientific and navigational fields. However, it is in the realm of astronomy that Huygens left an indelible mark in 1655. He published Systema Astronomiae, a groundbreaking work where he described his discovery of Saturn's moon, Titan, and the division of Saturn's rings. He used his newly invented telescope to observe Saturn's rings and reveal their true nature, providing that they were not solid as previously believed but composed of smaller particles. Huygens' achievements were not confined to Saturn. In 1656, he observed the surface features of Mars and made valuable contributions to the understanding of the planet's rotation and axial tilts. The observations laid the groundwork for future astronomers' research and gently expanded humanity's understanding of the solar system. Now we look at the wave theory of light. One of Huygens' most influential contributions was his theory of light as a wave phenomenon. In his work, Traité de la Memorie, published in 1690, he proposed that light traveled in the form of waves rather than particles. This wave theory helped explain various optical phenomena such as reflection and reflection and set the stage for future advancements in field of optics. Now the legacy and impact. Christian hygiene's accomplishments and ideas had a profound impact on science during his time and continue to resonate to this day. His work on the pendulum clock laid the foundation for accurate timekeeping, enabling advancements in various fields, including astronomy and navigation. In astronomy, Hygiene's discovery of Saturn's moon, Titan, and the elucidation of the true nature of Saturn's rings opened new avenues of research into planetary systems and celest- celestial bodies. His wave theory of light contributed significantly to the development of modern optics and wave optics, ultimately influencing the works of luminaries such as Thomas Young and James Clerk Maxwell. Now we conclude the life and invention of Christian Huygens. Christian Huygens was a true visionary, a man ahead of his time, whose brilliance and insatiable curiosity unlocked the secrets of the cosmos. His contributions to the astronomy, mathematics, optics, and physics have shaped the course of scientific progress, inspiring generations of scientists to explain and explore the mysteries of universe. As we continue to unravel the complexities of the cosmos, we owe a debt of gratitude to this remarkable Dutch polymath whose legacy endures through the ages. Thank you very much, friends.